Here we see how to modify or create contour surface styles. This is exercise number 2. Under the surface, there will be different styles which are saved already in the template file. And right now we are using contours 2 meter and 10 meter background surface style. Okay. We can access this by opening surface properties from surface, and we can edit and create style. Okay, so in this case right now we are using triangulation style. Then next one we are using border style, border only style. Okay, so let's see how to set up, how it works in Civil 3D. So this is the prospector tab. Under surface there is a surface called EG. In surface properties we'll see there are different tabs: information, definition, analysis, statistics. Below that there is a drop down surface style. We'll say apply 1 meter and 5 meter design template, design surface style, and that's how it looks like. In the properties, surface properties, you will see under surface style there are different styles preset. Right now we are going to use triangulation, apply OK, and that's the way it will look like in model space. That will be displayed that way. Now we'll try border only style, apply OK, and that's how it is. Those red dots are points which we have imported, so we just turn those off, and that's how we can see the style displayed. Okay, now let's move on to the next one. So here 2 meter and 10 meter contours surface is there. Major and minor contour, this is accessed through tool space. Now we are going to change the major and minor contour color. This looks like a layer management system. Surface style can be changed here. So change in the components color red and blue for major and minor contours. So let's see how it works in Civil 3D. Go to surface properties and surface style, change it to 2 meter by 10 meter background, apply. Model has been changed. Again select surface, go to surface properties. There, now here we can edit this style, and we will edit some attributes here. We are first going to rename the style to different name. Before that, we can see here in the display there is a major and minor contour colors. We can change them. We are changing it to red and green, red and blue, and say apply, say OK, and now that has been changed. Okay, so in this surface we can see these changes have been updated. Now the next one is we are going to change the contour intervals. We are going to modify the contour intervals for major and minor contours. Let's go to our project. Here we can see in contour surface properties there will be edit current selection. In that we'll rename the style with 15 meter, 3 meter and 15 meter background. We are going to use as a proposed contour style. Display, different tabs are there. So we'll go to contour. In the contour intervals, we'll change it to 3 meter and measure interval 15 meter. Apply OK. In display we can see major and minor contours. Color has been changed. Survey style has been changed. Apply OK. And you can see the settings have been applied to surface in the form of style. Okay, next one. So like that we have changed the style and intervals. That's how major and minor contour can be displayed. Okay, so this is the new style, 3 meter and 15 meter background. So surface styles can be edited or can be created new. Thanks for watching. Thank you very much. Please like and subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon to get